can't afford to buy a house, so we bought a boat. It's rusty and it's dated, but at least it floats. So follow our adventure as we build our home. Welcome to the channel, it's Project Bluey.
Hello.
Want to tell us what you're doing?
Yeah, this is behind the scenes. All the content that you guys love requires me to actually post. And even though it looks like I'm just sitting here doing nothing, I'm actually posting your social media content, which is this is like Inception right now, because you're seeing behind the third wall. So, but Mariah never does it. So I don't know why she's looking all smug, because there's lots of boat to be renovated, Mariah.
Look, I'm just doing the work. I'm filming you, aren't I?
Well, I'm also doing the work.
Am I not doing social media?
We're both doing the work. I don't know what this is right now.
It's a Saturday. It's a lovely day. Look at that. The sun's out. We're continuing our scrubbing the floors of Bluey today. The plan is to work on a Saturday and feel slight FOMO because it's the weekend.
Just don't pretend you have a life, Mariah.
Sitting in a coffee place and doing some admin. That's what we otherwise would be doing.
We're going to scrape sludge out of a boat.
Wow.
You're going to be too hot in that coat. I'm telling you now.
Don't tell me I'm going to be too hot. I'm never too hot, okay? It takes a lot.
You're going to be too hot. I'm going to call it. All right, let's get on with it.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Look at this floor. Yeah. Looks better than that. Look how well we're done. A very satisfying job doing this. This is the floor we've done. That is the floor we have to do. We've got a few more ribs. MVT, most valuable tool, goes to wet dry hoover, which is behind Mariah, because that's been an absolute beast. Makes this job so much more pleasurable and quick. Done about 60% of the boat. Well, we could probably do that in a full day if we come and do a full day on it, maybe on Monday. How'd you feel?
I'm doing good.
She's doing good.
I'm just going to move around the last little bit.
Last little bit, and then Mariah's got a gig tonight, so we're finishing early.
I'm getting there. Ugh. Also the side bits, like what even is that? This is oily, isn't it?
On the way home, we just got rid of the gunk. I sort of got used to the boat being in dry dock now.
I just love the scraping.
Rewarding. All right, keep it on, keep it on.
Yeah.
If you'd like to help us turn this boat into our forever home, then we are selling T-shirts on our website. All proceeds will go towards this project.